Hi everyone, and welcome to Lecture 44, Slide Master. Slide Master is a built-in tool of Microsoft PowerPoint where we can create, edit, and save different slide themes and formats for later use. It allows us to reach and use our saved formats through its dictionary at any stage of our presentation. Why Slide Master is useful? Because by using Slide Master, we can keep our slides perfectly in line with each other, thus making our presentations to look beautiful and make our presentations more organized with less effort, which would save us a lot of time. Let's do an example here by creating 3 different slide themes for different uses. As you can see here, I have my blank PowerPoint slide, and now I'm going to show you how to customize and add slide master layouts. You need to go to the view section in this upper ribbon, and here you will find slide master between reading view and handout master. If you click slide master, it is going to open these slides here. As you can see them, these are built-in slide themes, layouts, ready to use. They're offered by Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see, you can just go back to your presentation, and when you want to insert a new slide, you can go to the dictionary and select one of these slides to use. They're ready to use, but as I said, we want to create our own custom slides, so we don't want to use them. This big one here, the large slide, is the slide master, the theme master, and these are layouts, sub layouts. So I'm gonna delete all these slides here because I want to use my custom. However, PowerPoint will not let me to delete this one or this one because you need at least one master slide and one layout slide. So what did I say? I want to create 3 different slide themes for different uses. So one of them will be the cover page. The other one will be a section break because my presentation will contain more than 1 sections, and the presentation slide. So I want to customize. Let me start by describing what this slide master does. This master slide, so any changes you make on the slide will be is applicable to all other sub layout slides. So if you put something here, it will be visible in all other sub slides in your presentation when you insert them here. When you go out of slide master here, it will be visible here unless you customize it. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. So I want to delete this first. I'll keep this because I want to talk about headers and footers in the next lecture, not now. So I'm not going to insert them, but I will keep this. So guys, let's create the cover page first. Let's say I want to create a cover page, a saved format that I want to use in different presentations. I want to keep the same format with a simply customizable depending on what presentation I'm doing. So I will first insert, we have seen all these in previous lectures, a shape. Let's say this one, not this one. I want to insert a shape here. I will insert this one. All right. Whoop. Change its alignment. Yep. Bring it in here. I want to use my here. I'm going to bring it down all the way here. As you can see, I am creating a, I'm going to write my header here actually. Headings for our presentation, so I'll put it right here. As you can see, it's 0, it's the center point, and I will extend this here to 0. I know it's halfway in width and halfway in height, so it's perfectly aligned now. I'll go, I don't want a shape outline, I will remove it. The color is okay, so I'm gonna choose this one, this blue, because I like it. And I am not going to insert any kind of text on it because I won't be able to change this text because it will be saved in Slide Master layouts. So when I go back to presentation, if I type a text in here, I won't be able to customize it. So I'm going to leave it like this. This will be my cover page, the design of my cover page. And now I want to name it. So I'm going to come here, right click, rename layout, and I'll say cover page. Done. Let's say now I want to create the section break. So I'm going to click this one and paste it in here. The section break slides, I want to make it a thinner shape in here. So this will be the cover page. The title will be here. And this will be a section break. So I'm going to name this one. Rename layout, section break. All right, and lastly, I want to create my regular slide, the PowerPoint slide that I'll be writing the content in my presentation. So I want to get rid of this shape, and I want to insert a rectangular shape in here. Here, let's say, like this. All right, and I'll make it the same color and get rid of the outline, maybe a little bit right. Yep. And now let's say you want to put your company logo in here. I don't have a logo right now. I'll just write company logo. So I will say company logo here. So you can put your company logo here and it will be in all of the slides you have, as you can see here. Let's say it's the logo of your bank or whatever. So yeah, I'll keep it here. And this is our regular slide format. So I'm gonna name it here, rename layout, and I will call this regular slide. And that's it. Now I have my cover page, I have my section break page, and I have my slide page. So I'm gonna go back here to view, to slide master, and I will close slide master view now. So I'll go back to regular PowerPoint view. Here it is. Now I'm gonna delete this, and as you can see, it says click to add first slide. Here you can see new slide section. If you click this, now PowerPoint from its dictionary going to offer me these choices that I have created in Slide Master. So there's a cover page, the section break, and regular slide. Let's say I want to create the cover page first. So I click this one. As you can see, you cannot delete this, guys. If you want to change this slide format, you have to go back to Slide Master and customize it. That's it. You can't touch it right here. So I'm gonna just take this. I'll show you how Slide Master makes our lives easier. So I'm just gonna type here become an M&A Analyst the Complete Skillset. So this is the title of our presentation. So I'll make it a bit bigger, and fonts, let's say I'll keep it here, and I'm gonna copy and paste, and I'm gonna put here, I'll make it a title smaller. I'm gonna write, let's say, March 2017, private and confidential, and I'm gonna make this italic and even smaller. Let's say I'm gonna make it here. That's too much. Oops. I can make it closer like this. So Shift F5, we know how we can go into slideshow mode by simply clicking Shift F5. As you can see here, we just added these texts. That is all we need to do in order to create our cover page, because we already have a built-in format slide layout that we have created in Slide Master. So I'm gonna go to second slide, and I'm gonna put my section break page. Here I want to add a section. I'm gonna take this one, let's say this one, copy it and paste it in here, and I'm gonna bring it here, and I'm gonna call this part 1 Slide Master, and I'll just drop its font like this. As you can see, guys, Shift F5, now I have my first section break, my cover page, section break page, and I will add a slide here, new slide, and my first regular slide, so I can put whatever content I want here. Alright, guys, that is all about Slide Master, and we have just learned how to use this cool feature of Microsoft PowerPoint. It is really useful because it will help you to save different formats of slides for different uses, and it will save you a lot of time. It will also make your presentations look prettier. So now let's move to the next lecture, where we will be talking about headers and footers. I see you guys in the next lecture.